All right, we're gonna bring an air pump. This one has a great features. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about it, but first of all, I just want you to see the whole entire scenario with everything on there, right? You got this system here, what you plug in for any kind of air that you want for your bikes or for tires, because we are going to put some air into the tire. Different kind of scenarios that you have for inflatables, all right? From bed to floaties, all right? Perfect for any scenario you have. Car adapter, all right? The car adapter is perfect for those that need extra power or needs to charge the system. It's all included. Fuse and also an adapter, and also they give you a little bag too to put everything in there. And I would recommend you right off the box, everything that you're going to use, put it in here so you guys actually know. I would carry this in your car as a backup, because this is a perfect scenario for any emergencies. If you break down and it's dark, this also has an LED light, if you guys can see that. It's perfect for those scenarios in the front and in the back. All right, this back one is for viewing. If you're going to pump the air into your tire, you need to see what you're doing. This one, if you want to light up the place, all right, this is perfect for anybody that's going long distance and you need an emergency kit. This, I would include this in the kit. All right, very important in the back, inflate, deflate. Deflate is in case you want to take out the air on something so large like a bed or any inflatables. This is perfect. All right, this will give you a compact solution to take it with you and to roll it back to the original state that it was. All right, so this is perfect for it. On the controllers, you got your power, your plus, your minus, and light, and different cycles and different changes. So we're going to show you guys how to use this. To set it up, I'm going to show you a couple things. You got the light. All right, that's the front light. Look at that. And the back light. All right, front and back. Turn it off. Do an SOS. It does it on both sides. Hit it again. It goes away. All right, so you got two modes. SOS and turn it off. Now, to cycle things, if you guys can see that, different PSIs. Car. There you go. A motorcycle, bicycle, inflatable. All right, that means anything you want. So right now we are going to put 30, 32. That's pretty much what we want. 33. So we're going to turn it down. Turn it down. We're going to go to 30, 33. That's what we want. So at 33. All right. 0. Just to test it out so you guys can see the power of it. So it's supposed to start and end there. All right. So put this down. All right, so right here it's a twist. All right, you guys can see it, it's a twist. So let's go ahead and twist it in. Then all you got to do is find the system, plug it in. You guys can see I'm gonna plug it in. So because it has a kickstand, you go actually kick it however you want. So get it close to it. Plug it in, and then we're gonna start the system. And that's it, 33. So right now, if we hit 33, it's at 33. So we're gonna take it out one more time. Take it out. We're gonna put 34. So we hit the plus. Go to 34. 34 psi. All right. Then all you gotta do is plug it in. Plug it in. Close it. And hit the power button. All right, you hit the power button, and that's it. 34. That was quick. That took about maybe a second just to inflate this one psi. All right, just to give you guys a demo how it works. So you could always change and modify it to your car's psi. This is a 35. Let's check out the brightness on this. All right, we're gonna turn on the light. All right, there's one light, if you guys can see that. One light goes in there. Turn on another one, blinks. If you want to change your tire, look at that. You can actually see what you're doing. You could face a light to wherever direction you want to change the tire to. This is a perfect light, so a light source. So when you're changing tires or adding air to your tire in the middle of the night, this light comes in handy. And this light is perfect for emergencies too, off-road. Now, one of the best things I like about this system is that it doesn't overheat when you're pumping. All right, there's plenty of ventilations on it, so it's gonna last you for a long time. And like you saw how fast it was to pump air to the tires and deflate even faster. So hope you guys enjoy the video.